Imagine turning any idea in your head into a beautiful, sellable work of art without any drawing skills and making money from it. Sounds impossible? Well, with ArtSmart.AI, it's now a reality. This groundbreaking AI art generator creates stunning images for you simply by describing what you want. In this video, you'll learn how to go from $0 to generating real profits with ArtSmart.AI, even as a complete beginner. So, if you're ready to unlock the earning potential of AI to turn your creativity into cash, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Penguin Profits. Step 1. Create an ArtSmart.AI account. The first step is to head over to ArtSmart.AI and create your account. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if for any reason you're not happy. So you can try them out risk-free. You simply need to provide your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a valid email so you can verify your account. Once your account is activated, you can start exploring the ArtSmart platform. Spend some time getting familiar with the different features and image generation capabilities. Step 2. Generate your first images. Now let's start creating. Head over to the text-to-image section and you'll see a text box where you can start typing your prompt. A prompt is simply a detailed text description of the image you want the AI to generate. You want to provide as much detail as possible. For example, if you want to create a landscape scene, you could write, "A misty forest landscape with tall evergreen trees and a winding path leading to a cozy wood cabin next to a lake at sunset. Digital art." The key is including adjectives and specifying details like the color palette, lighting, mood, etc. This will produce better quality images. Once you have your prompt, select your desired image size like 512 by 512 pixels and hit Generate. You'll instantly get a selection of AI-generated images. Pick your favorite and hit Upscale to increase the resolution if needed. This will help you get comfortable with prompting and start building a portfolio. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to Penguin Profits. Step 3. Improve your prompting skills. As you experiment more with ArtSmart, you'll get better at writing detailed prompts that produce high-quality images. As you use ArtSmart more, you'll improve at writing detailed prompts that generate high-quality images. One tip is to include art style, mood, and composition details like cinematic lighting or pen and ink drawing in your prompts. Using descriptive adjectives for colors, textures, and shapes also helps. For example, a bright red cartoon cat with yellow eyes. Giving context through character personalities, poses, and actions is also important. Listing multiple descriptive aspects like a muscular barbarian warrior with produces more detailed results. You can mimic specific art styles by using by artist name. Browse the ArtSmart community for prompt inspiration from talented users. The more detailed your prompt, the better your AI art will turn out. Take time to craft the perfect prompt wording. Subscribe to Penguin Profits for more similar content. Step 4. Build your AI art portfolio. As your prompting improves, you can start building a diverse portfolio of AI artworks. Aim to create a diverse portfolio with at least 10 high-quality samples in different styles and subjects. For example, generate 2 detailed landscape scenes, 2 character portraits, 2 animal illustrations, 2 pop art style pieces, and 2 abstract geometric shapes. Having a variety of artworks showcasing different styles and subjects will increase your chances of appealing to potential buyers or clients. The key is ensuring diversity and quality in your portfolio. You can also create galleries on your ArtSmart profile to showcase your creations. Step 5. Promote your AI art on social media. Once you've built your portfolio, it's time to start promoting it. Social media is a great way to showcase your skills. Create dedicated art accounts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Post your best AI artworks regularly using relevant hashtags. Engage with other AI artists and be an active part of art communities. Share your process and behind the scenes of creating your artworks. Social media is key for building an audience and getting your art discovered by potential customers. Enjoying the video, subscribe to Penguin Profits. Step 6. Set up your online art store. To start selling your artwork, you need to set up an online store. Here are some options. Etsy shop, great for selling prints and merchandise. You can upload digital files for prints. Redbubble, upload designs and get them printed on products users can buy. You earn royalties. ArtStation, a popular platform for digital artists to sell prints and 3D models. WooCommerce, Shopify, build a full website storefront to sell prints and AMP merch. NFT marketplaces. Sell tokenized versions of your art as NFTs. Whichever platform you choose, make sure to provide high-quality art files and product previews. Step 7. Offer custom AI art services. In addition to selling art prints and products, you can also generate income by offering custom AI art services. Some examples include custom character art, album and amp, book covers, Twitch, YouTube emotes, logos and branding assets, NFTs tailored to a client brief. But what if you're thinking, why would people pay for AI-generated art when they can do it themselves? Well, the reality is, most people don't know how to create good AI art. To create good AI art, you need to become skilled with using the correct AI prompts. This can make a huge difference in the results. And if you don't believe you can make money creating AI art, just check out all the services offered on Fiverr where people are buying AI-generated art. And this is only for digital AI art. You can make even more money if you sell printed AI-generated art as well. You too can promote your custom art services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to get started, and later offer them through your online art store to maximize your profit. When taking on client work, be sure to clearly discuss requirements, revisions, and payment terms up front. Deliver professional, high-quality results on time to get great reviews and build your reputation. Step 8. Join affiliate programs. Another income stream is joining affiliate programs to earn commissions promoting AI art platforms. For example, ArtSmart has an affiliate program where you can get a percentage of sales you refer. Promote your custom affiliate link on your social channels, videos, and site. When followers sign up through your link and purchase subscriptions, you earn money. You can also join affiliate programs for other services like Skillshare, Etsy, Printful, and more. Step 9. Create online courses. Once you've built expertise in AI art, you can create online courses teaching others your skills. Popular platforms like Udemy and Skillshare have huge audiences eager to learn new creative skills like AI art. You can create online courses teaching topics like Introduction to AI Art, Prompting for Beginners, Creating Book Covers, and Monetizing AI Art. Be sure to record high-quality tutorials and outline clear learning goals. Promoting your courses can help establish yourself as an authority. Selling online education is a great way to monetize your knowledge and earn passive income. Step 10. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is hugely popular, so starting a channel around AI art can help you reach a wider audience. Create YouTube videos showcasing prompt walkthroughs of your process, AI art challenges, reviews comparing different AI platforms, beginner tutorials, speed arts, and time lapses of your artwork creation. Focus on useful, engaging video content that provides value for viewers interested in AI art. Promote your videos on social media and optimize them with SEO title, tags, and descriptions. YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling merch are ways to monetize your channel. In summary, start by creating an ArtSmart account and make some art to build your skills. Slowly build a portfolio showing your unique art style. Promote on social media to grow an audience. Set up an online store to sell prints and merchandise. Offer custom art services to clients. Join affiliate programs for additional income. Create online courses to teach others your skills. Use YouTube to share tutorials and grow your reach. By consistently building your portfolio, skills, and audience, you can start earning from your AI art. And those are my tips for total beginners on how to start making money with AI art using ArtSmart. It does take consistent time and effort to build your skills, portfolio, and audience. But if you stick with it, AI art can become a great passive income stream. And if you'd like to learn more ways to make passive income, be sure to watch this video on your screen right now, and I'll see you on the other side.